any achievement is part of teamwork. Thus, I feel proud for having contributed as part of a team to empowering women in the Assembly since my election as its first woman Secretary General. Almost half of the Assembly is now composed of women, mentalities changed, and women MPs meet now together in a new cross-party group, the Women at Pace. It was this group which first heard the voice of Ukrainian MPs, women Ukrainian MPs, describing the horror of the war just days after its outbreak. My best memory, sitting next to Ms. Vigdis Finnbogadóttir, the first ever woman president of a country, when the Prime Minister of Iceland and the President of our Assembly were signing the new Vigdis Prize for Women Empowerment, named after her.